Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel Alejandre at ito po ang aking daily devotion para sa ngayong February 21. And for today, we are going to talk about kung sabay-sabay ba ang pagsubok sa buhay mo? And this relates to the topic of concurrence na ating makikita sa Genesis chapter 50 verse 20 na nagsasabing, "You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good to accomplish what is now being done, the saving of many lives." Sa Tagalog, masama nga ang iyong ginawa sa akin. Subalit ipinahintulot iyon ng Diyos para sa kabutihan at dahil doon naligtas ang marami ngayon. So this is a very deep Bible verse, no? Because this shows that God has a plan for us. And that plan is for the greater good. And sometimes, that plan has parts wherein we must suffer in order to grow in accordance to His will. So God is actively involved in our daily lives. Yung mga nangyayari po sa ating buhay, nangyayari yon with a reason. And God is there for us. Hindi siya nawawala, no? Because nothing happens outside of God. Lahat po na nangyayari sa mundong ito ay hawak niya. Kumbaga, we are literally in the palm of His hands. And figuratively as well. He controls each and every aspect of our lives. And we should be fine with that because He aims for goodness and greatness even. Because God is actively working even through evil. Kahit na merong mga influence sa atin, ang kalaban, nandiyan pa rin yung Panginoon to our lives, to straighten our paths. So ask God to increase our faith. Because we should trust in Him. We should trust in His will, in His plan, in His overall path towards greatness, towards righteousness. And let's accept God's sovereign decisions. Even though sometimes we will suffer. It will be so hard for us. But even during those times, actively cooperate with God. Do everything you can so that you will fall in accordance to His will. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.